May mga pagkakataon na, akala mo yung away ng away lang. At minsan, delikado yung wala na kayong maramdaman.
Ito po yung sinasabi na magkatabi nga kayo, pero bakit parang mag-isa ka lang sa kama?
Minsan akala natin na yung pinakadelikadong stage ng marriage, yung palaging nag-aaway. While that is true, meron din ibang mga bagay. No? Ito dapat yung binibigyan tayo ng warning. Parang feeling mo, mas magtataka ka pa kung bakit wala kayong mga heated arguments, o yung tinatawag nga natin mga passionate discussions.
More so, wala naman daw third party. And of course, wala namang malalaking problema. Pero bakit parang may kulang? There's always that void. There's something hindi mo maintindihan.
Ito pa ang isang nakakatakot dyan. A-response. Siguro, in denial ba? Wala kasing, okay naman kami. Wala naman kami pinagtatalunan ng major. Unti-unti kayong, or tayo, na nalalayo sa isa't isa.
You want to talk about anything, pero sinasabi nung isang spouse, hindi, later na lang, mamaya na. I'm really tired, I'm from work. Couples would say, we're okay naman why do we need to talk about it? But then again, importante yung emotional connection between husband and wife. Importante na there are good deposits of emotion, especially when it's being tested or, trials come. Alam mong there is someone that can pick you up at hindi yun ibang tao, kundi yun mismo yung spouse mo. Pero nararamdaman mo to ngayon at gusto mo rin ma-identify at malaman, hindi ka nag-iisa. You'll be surprised that we have counseled a lot of people na hindi siya normal, but there's such a thing as emotional connection. That's why sometimes you feel distant kasi nawawala yung connection na yun.
So lahat tayo pwede tayong mag-bounce back. And it all starts with, acknowledging na meron nangyayari na ini-ignore lang natin. May mga nangyayari na ayaw na nating harapin kasi baka lalong lumaki. Pagka inamin naman natin sa sarili natin, siguradong magkakaroon naman ng restoration. At yan kung gugustuhin natin, di ba? Hindi ito isang big moment lang, kundi ito ay small intentional steps.
Baby steps.
Na magkaroon tayo ng honest conversation, karoon tayo ng moment of listening, and then also the one decision. Let's try again.
Hindi naman nawawala yung love or pagmamahal. It's just that as human beings, we get tired. Maraming concerns sa buhay. We have a lot of responsibilities. Maybe yung iba po sa inyo nakikinig ngayon, care of your parents, nakatira sa inyo. So these are all valid elements. Kaya pressured tayo at some point in our marriage, naapektuhan na siya, pero hindi natin siya ma-identify kasi nadi-disconnect na nga po tayo sa isa't isa. But here's the truth. There is always hope. Connection is not automatic. Everyday decisions yan that you want to stay connected towards one another.
Let's consider this as it's a sign, di ba? The Lord is also speaking through this. Kailangan nating ayusin ito.
We don't need a perfect marriage. Wala namang perfection talaga. Hindi mangyayari. We just need to have a willing heart. Yun yung humility na, parang disconnected tayo. And of course, para magkaroon ng, not only development, pero pagbabago in terms of being disconnected or, you're together pero parang you're distant. Hindi naman kayo talaga magkasama. Very important to build that hope, excitement. Diba? That's what marriage is about. When was the last time that you laughed together sa maliliit na bagay, builds, lumalalim yung ganyang kinds of relationship. Or yung simpleng moments lang na nagiging meaningful sa inyo. Unguarded moments, pero alam mo yon, tao lang, natural, normal, mag-asawa.
Na lahat yan, posible yan.
Yes.
Ang humahadlang lang o pumipigil lang sa atin is yung utak natin, yung puso natin.
Tama.
Meron tayong lahat pag-asa. To stop ignoring the distance and start rebuilding the connection.
Kaya if you're listening, again, there's hope na wag nating i-accept because posible yan. And if that is you, you're listening now, there is always hope. Please, you can message us or you can type the word START and we will respond to you. PM nyo rin kami so that we can personally listen to your story. So again, here at Happy Spouse, Happy House na nagsasabing ang bawat pamilya may pag-asa. God bless you.